Good evening, India. Welcome back to BJ English News, where we bring you the latest headlines. Lalu's critic unveils rift with Congress coalition. The alliance between RJD leader Lalu Prasad Yadav and Congress reflects the challenges of coalition politics. Lalu's recent remarks questioning Congress tactics and decisions have revived discussions on the trust deficit between them. In the India bloc, where Trinamool chief Mamta Banerjee is considered for leadership, Lalu's comments have cast doubts on Congress influence. Historically supportive of Congress, Lalu felt betrayed during the 2013 ordinance episode involving Rahul Gandhi. Later, Kanhaiya Kumar's entry in Bihar politics added tensions. These lingering disputes signal obstacles in the India alliance ahead of critical elections. JDU's Lovely Anand demands apology from Lalu. JDU MP Lovely Anand criticizes Lalu Prasad Yadav for inappropriate remarks about Bihar CM Nitish Kumar's Mahila Samvad Yatra. Lalu's suggestion that the initiative was eyeing women sparked backlash. Anand termed the comment disrespectful and demanded an apology, highlighting the importance of dignity in political discourse. She urged leaders to reflect on such actions, particularly as NDA targets a significant victory in upcoming elections. The incident underscores the need for respectful conversations in Bihar political climate as leaders navigate a contentious electoral season. Teacher turned MLC Brijwasi shakes Bihar's politics. Bansidhar Brijwasi, a former school teacher, achieved an extraordinary win in the Tirhat graduate constituency by poll, defeating RJD and JDU-backed candidates. Once suspended as an educator, Brijwasi campaigned on themes like educational reform and transparency, appealing to teachers and grassroots communities. His victory, with strong support from educators, challenges entrenched political systems and highlights voter dissatisfaction with traditional parties. Brijwasi's rise as an independent leader symbolizes growing demands for accountability and transformative leadership in Bihar, redefining the state's political dynamics. Independent candidate triumphs in Tirhat by-poll upset. The Tirhat graduate constituency by-poll saw independent candidate Bansidhar Brijwasi securing a significant victory over seasoned opponents, winning by over 1,200 votes. Campaigning on local issues, Brijwasi's success is a testament to grassroots efforts and the growing dissatisfaction with mainstream political agendas. He credited his win to educators and community support, describing it as a collective stand against systematic neglect. This result reflects a shift in Bihar's political scene, signaling that independent voices can challenge major parties, emphasizing local accountability over centralized strategies. LJP MP slams Lalu's comments as derogatory. Lalu Prasad Yadav faced criticism for his controversial remarks on Nitish Kumar's Mahila Samvad Yatra. LJP MP Sambhavi Chaudhary condemned the statement, calling it offensive and regressive. Chaudhary expressed disappointment, stating that such rhetoric undermines women's advancements and called for leaders to prioritize respect and empowerment. This incident has sparked a broader discussion on the need for decorum in political conversations. With women playing crucial roles in Bihar socio-political development, this episode underscores the importance of maintaining sensitivity in public discourse.